I told you that God will change my story one day. My enemies, how far? Don't be surprised, oh. I am the same person you rejected when I needed you. I am the same person you buried with your gossip. But by the grace of God,
you are the God who gives me joy. You are the God who changed my life. You are.
If you know where I came from, you never pray for me to fail. Nope, never. Every effort I'm making now is to change home, not to compete friends. You know I came from that poor community, from the rock bottom, very dysfunctional family, no expensive clothes, no luxuries like others enjoyed, no first class school. I was completely deprived. I was molested, kicked, hit, attacked, and rejected. Honestly, I haven't given up yet. I'm still trying. I know I'm working hard on myself to change my status. And hopefully, I'll die as a legend.